Hey there, health enthusiasts. Today I'm diving into the world of anti-inflammatory teas. Chronic inflammation can lead to a slew of health issues, but these 7 teas can help keep it in check. First up, green tea. Packed with polyphenols, it's great for reducing flare-ups in conditions like Crohn's disease and lowering the risk of heart disease and cancer. Just check with your doctor if you're on meds. Next, turmeric tea. Curcumin in turmeric is a powerhouse against inflammation. This golden tea can help with IBS and rheumatoid arthritis. Add a dash of black pepper to boost curcumin absorption. Third, ginger tea. Ginger's antioxidants fight inflammatory cytokines, aiding arthritis and easing gastric stress. Steep some fresh ginger, add honey and lemon, and you're good to go. Fennel tea is a digestive hero. Its phenolic compounds reduce pain, including menstrual pain. Just watch out for potential allergies. Number 5, tart cherry tea. Tart cherry juice has anti-inflammatory properties that ease joint pain and post-workout soreness. Again, consult your doctor if you're on medication. Rose hip tea comes 6th. These little fruits are antioxidant rich and help with pain in rheumatoid arthritis. They've been used in herbal medicine for centuries. Finally, holy basil tea. Known as tulsi, it combats stress-related inflammation and helps regulate blood sugar, blood pressure and cholesterol levels. A quick tip: opt for loose-leaf teas for higher beneficial compound levels. Always follow prep instructions and consult your doctor about any potential interactions or allergies. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe and share with others who might benefit. Comment below with your experiences with these anti-inflammatory teas. Stay healthy and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.